All right, so what I have here is the 56% silver solder. Now this is 56% silver with a external coated flux. Now this is really good for dissimilar metals. You can do copper to stainless, copper to copper. You can even do copper to brass, as I have here. And that's what I'm going to demonstrate for you today. So what I'm going to show you today, I've got a brass valve. I'm going to be bonding it to copper. Now, this is also the same situation when you're out in the field with a TXV or another ball valve, isolation valve, anything like that. Any of those will be the same situation that I have today. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and get this clamped down. Now, with this 56% rod, since it has the flux on the outside, I don't need an alternative flux. I can go straight to heating it up and applying the flux. So with this rod, what you want to do is heat up the material like you normally would. And then you want to take the rod and apply the flux to the joint. Once you start to see the flux travel all the way around the joint, you can continue to heat it up and then start to slowly apply the rod to the joint. And then what you'll see is that the flux will take that rod material and just go all the way around the joint for you, nice and smooth. So with the flux coated rod, that allowed me to get this nice smooth joint all the way around with little effort. Now, all I had to do is make sure I had the heat at the right temperature to where this flux would just wrap all the way around. And once it did that, I could start applying the filler rod into the joint. And then from there, it just wrapped around nicely. So as you can see, it's a nice, clean joint, nice, powerful bond. Now again, this 56% rod, this is the ultimate rod. So this is gonna get you out of a lot of situations if you're trying to do copper to stainless steel, copper to brass like I did here. So a lot of different variations. So you can purchase this one as a standalone kit here, or it comes in the all-in-one canister as well.